Dear students, in the last session we have seen software characteristics. Now we will see some terminologies or the terms which are used in the software engineering. So first terminology is deliverables and milestones. Deliverables means which are given to the customer. It is generated during the software development. The examples of the deliverables may be source code, user manuals, or operating procedure manuals. Milestones give the status of the project. For example, finalization of specification is a milestone in the requirement stage. Completion of design document is the second milestone. Completion of coding is the third milestone. And completion of testing is the fourth milestone. So milestone gives the status of the project. Next terminology is product and process. So product means what is delivered to the customer. It is called as the product. So it may include source code, specification document, manuals, operating procedure manuals, or user manuals and documentations. And process is the way in which we produce our software. So process may be a mature process or immature process. If your process is immature, then the end product will undoubtedly suffer. But if you are using the mature process, then your project is the quality project. Next terminology is measures, metrics and measurement. So metrics and measurement are used interchangeably, but there are certain difference between these measures, measurement and metrics. So a measure provides a quantitative indications of the event like your dimension, size, capacity, efficiency, productivity or reliability. For example, length is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is the measure. Measurement is the act of evaluating a measure. If we are measuring the length, then that is the measurement. And metrics is the quantitative measure of the degree to which a system or component or process possesses a given attribute. For example, if the tester is testing the software product, then the number of bugs per hour is the metric. Next terminology is software process and product metrics. So process metrics quantify the attributes of software development process and the product metrics are the measures of the software product. So process metrics may be a productivity, quality, efficiency. So these are the process metrics. And product metrics are size, what is the size of your product, reliability and complexity. Next terminology is productivity and effort. So productivity is defined as a production per unit of effort or the rate of output. The output achieved with regard to the time taken. So there are two issues for deciding the unit of measures. First is quantity of output and period of time. So in software, the quantity of output is measured in LOC, that is line of code. How many lines of code is generated by the developer, and the time is measured in days or months. Okay. So according to that, the unit of effort is person months, means the number of persons involved for specific month. So according to that, the productivity may be measured as LOC per PM, that is line of code per person month. Next terminology is module and software components. So as you know, module means if there is a big program, that big program is divided into sub program. So that subprogram is called as the module. Okay, and software component represents modular, deployable and replaceable part of a system. Means we can replace that part of the system, and that is called as the component. Then generic and customized software product. Generic products are developed for anonymous customer. Means the product is developed for whole world. The whole world is the customer of that generic product. Okay. For example, operating system, compilers, analyzers, word processors, case tools are the examples of the generic product. And the customized products are developed for particular customer. That customer gives the requirement, and according to that requirement the product is developed. That is called as the customized software product. Okay, thank you.